Hi, I'm Kurt Smith, Director of Industry Relations for the Archery Trade Association. It's no secret that the COVID-19 pandemic is having a negative impact on businesses throughout the country, and that includes ATA members. For that reason, the federal government is making low-interest loans available through the Small Business Administration. In this short video, we're going to give you an introduction to how you can determine if you're eligible for these loans and an overview of the application process. As we start, you'll see it's very important that for this process, you have your financial records accurate and up to date. If you have a trusted financial professional that you work with, now is a great time to engage with them. If you don't, now is a great time to search for one that can help you through the process. If you need some other resources, we also have a MyATA service provider, BKD CPAs and Advisors, who can be a great resource for you. You can contact Nathan Fitzgerald at the email address shown on the screen below. So let's go ahead and jump in, and we'll show you how you can get started with the COVID-19 Small Business Administration Disaster Relief Loans.
Hey everybody, it's Wendy from the Archery Trade Association. So the Small Business Administration has its third iteration of the Small Business Loan Application site up today. Today is Monday, March 30th. So to apply for that small business loan, I'll say quickly, but they estimate 2 hours and 10 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and take a quick walk through it. So their website is SBA.gov, and then you're going to go on the top of their website and click here. So it just takes a moment for their application to load. Once it loads, you'll need to choose whichever box here is applicable for you. I'm going to choose the top one that's the most applicable for my example. And then in order to be eligible for this loan, you need to be able to check all of the boxes. So you just go ahead and click here. Now, obviously, if you're going through here and you can't check it because then you will need to consult with a professional at that point to see what you need to do from there. So you'll need to enter information in these boxes. So your legal business name, I'm just entering test because this is just an example. So the trade name, what they mean there is that would be your DBA. So I had to Google this myself. So it says you might need to register your DBA, also known as a trade name. So if you do not have a DBA, you'll simply just need to type the name of your company again because it will not let you pass without putting that in. What's your social security number? So you need to enter your 9-digit social security number, your organization type. So you're going to enter what you are. So let's talk a little bit about this. So if your company has articles of incorporation and you are incorporated as an LLC, you're going to choose limited liability company. If you are a sole proprietor in that you file your taxes for yourself and your business on one tax return, you're a sole proprietor. So I'm going to go and enter this as though I was an LLC. I'm going to say my archery business is not a not-profit and I don't have a franchise. Now, if you were a multi-channel retailer or you were franchised, you would need to maybe answer that differently, but I am not a franchise. So you're going to need your gross revenues for the last 12 months. So you're going to need to look back into your accounting system. Maybe you use QuickBooks and see what your gross revenues were. So your revenues before any expenses. So I'm going to say my gross revenues were $100,000, just to make the math really easy. The cost of goods sold. So my cost of goods sold was $50,000. You'll read through all the rest of these questions. The ones that have to be answered are in red, but do read the rest of the questions. Your primary business address. I'm in Minnesota, and your zip code. and your business phone number. Okay, and your business email. The date your business was established, and the current ownership. So your business might have been established 100 years ago, but you've owned it since 2008. And what type of business activity are you in? Let's just see what our options are. Sporting goods. My number of employees, I'm going to say I have 4. Okay, so here's where you're going to put your name as the owner of this business, and your mobile phone number. And your title, your whatever owner you are. If you have more than one owner, I would absolutely guess that it's going to prompt you to put your you're going to enter your social security number here and your birth date, your place of birth. Are you a U.S. citizen? What's your street address? So you're going to enter all those things. If you need to add an additional owner, you're going to go ahead and add them as you need to. Otherwise, is your business owned by a business entity? So is your business owned by another business? Mine is not. I own it myself. So I'm going to click next. In the past year, has a business or listed owner ever been convicted of a crime? Nope. Are you listed or suspended? Nope. Are you presently subject to a criminal information arraignment? Nope, I'm good. Did anyone help you complete this application? So if you had your tax person, whatever the name of your company would be, you would put the person who helped you, their phone number, all of this, and then you're going to tell the Small Business Administrations that they can, and you would like to be considered for an advanced. So before you even apply for your full loan, they're going to consider you for a $10,000. And you're going to put your bank name. So maybe your bank is Wells Fargo or whatever. You're going to put that, and you're going to put your routing number on it, and you're going to certify this, that everything is true and correct. And then you're going to go to a summary page. So we're going to see if I can go. So here's going to summarize all my information. And you're going to check the I am not a robot box, because it needs you to do that in order to process that. And you're going to submit. So let's see, that took me less than 10 minutes. Now my guess is they're going to follow up with additional information if you'd like more funds, but to get you funds right away, they've made this process significantly easier.
Thank you for watching this video. As always, the ATA is here to help you. All of our resources can be found on the homepage of our website, archerytrade.org. You can also use that website to contact us if there's anything that we can do for you. Or you can call our membership office at the phone number listed on the screen below. Thank you.